everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we are going to do a look using the Pat McGrath. Sorry guys, I turned the camera off at some point. Alright, so we're just going to dive in with this thing and put a little bit of makeup on our face and see what we think and go from there. So yeah. My hair is a total wreck. It is growing out and I don't know what to do with it. So I keep just, yeah. I can't get a move on it. Okay. So I'm trying to use up some little samples I have. I have this Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It is, it's a foundation, but it's like a medium coverage. Let's see if I can get any out. Let's see if I can get it out. Everything on my desk or my vanity is blocking everything else, so I cannot really. And I got foundation on my keyboard. We'll fix that in a minute. Good old Mac keyboard, ain't nothing gonna happen to it. It's chaos in here today. Chaos. What's chaos? I have to put my mirror in front of me. My brand new big mirror. Alright guys, so we are going to slather this in. I'm going to use my Smith brush for foundation. Just paint it on my face. Yes. Paint it on my face. Yeah. It's like war paint. I think that's probably one of the next tattoos I'm going to get on my arm. We'll see. I went yesterday and Jonathan put all the filler in for the bottom piece of my arm. So now we are complete. I'm going back in a couple weeks and he's doing some work on the top. Because my sweet little Laura is traveling and I'm trying to get this thing finished. Okay, so because I didn't put too much on, I'm not going to put on powder because I don't want to look cakey. I'm just going to put on some bronzers. And my Lord. So I made the mistake of using like some shitty eyelash glue that I had. Suffering for it now. Alright, so I'm just going into my Marc Jacobs, what is it called? Tantastic. I was going to say Tantalizer, but that's the Lorac one. And we're just going to put this all over our face. Okay. Alright, the next thing is we're going to put a little bit of blush on. And I'm using my Melba. Melba. And now I'm going to go into my eyes. So I really love this dark shade right here. And I think I'm just going to go for the shade right beside it. And then maybe like this shade for my inner corner. We'll see. We'll see. We'll get there. Make it happen. This stuff is so pigmented. Always just go lightly in with a very precise tapered brush. just so I can control where the shadow goes. And I'll go back and, you know, blend that out depending on what I think I need. Tomorrow's Super Bowl Sunday. I'm not looking forward to it, but I know my husband is, so we're going to sit there and watch it with him. Just don't know that I'm rooting for any one team. I mean, I love Andy Reid, so maybe Kansas City, and that's what all my family in Kansas is rooting for, of course. But then again, I like Kyle Shanahan too. So, yeah, we're going to come back to that. So, I'm just going to take my finger in this shade right here. I'm going to put that on. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning on you. That is very pretty. Yeah, I don't want to do too much and like kill that at all. So I'm going to go into that dark shade again, just with this little brush here, and go under my eyes and smoke it. Smoke it, girl, smoke it. Yeah. I woke up this morning feeling so bad. It was horrible. Horrible, I tell you. Horrible. Alright, I'm going to get like a little... this is a Morphe brush, but see, it's a blending brush, but it's got a little bit more... It's not tapered. It's just a regular blending brush. And see if I can just blend out these edges a little bit, or if I want more eyeshadow. Because, you know, yeah, I'm going to go back into that lower, because, you know what, we're going to smoke this stuff. Smoke it out. Not a lot of fallout from this, which makes me very happy. I only have 2 Pat McGrath palettes, but we're going to work on that because I really like them. Alright, so we're going to take our little, this is a tiny little travel brush from, who is it from? Sigma. We're just going to put a little bit of that lighter shade on it, and we're going to do our inner corner. I do take this like up into my eye and over into my shade a little bit because I think it looks good. Alright, I'm going to put some brows on because that is important. It's like the most important thing I do. And we'll touch up this face a little bit, put some lipstick and mascara on, and we'll be done. Finished. Probably shouldn't have stayed home today because I'm a little bit down. I'm a lot down, actually. Got into a big disagreement with a good friend of mine, and it's weighing on me because I care. But, you know, we're all stubborn. We are all stubborn beasts. But I don't like to argue with anybody at all. It's just not. This time I shot first and I'm regretting it. But you have to live with the consequences of your actions, and yeah. Just the whole thing is silly because the friendship is way more important than anything that we're fussing with each other about. So, you know, it shouldn't be this way. Shouldn't be this way. So if I'd have gone out, it'd be less on my mind. It would have been distracted. But I'm not. I'm here. So we're just gonna deal with it. My mascara fell. So I've got this MAC Twisted Lash mascara. I like it, but my eyelashes are still jacked up from when I put the extensions in. I mean, I've heard everybody say that, right? That messes up your eyelashes. What do? I go and do it anyway. I'm like, oh, they just don't know what they're doing. And my lash experience was mostly my fault because they bothered my eyes. So I pulled them. It's a mess. A mess. We're just coming right along with this, aren't we? All right. What do you think about that? All right, everybody. Let's put a little bit of a lipstick on, and I'm going to use this Makeup Forever. This is a very light, dusty rose. So, what do you think? What do you think? Oh. You didn't want me to sing, did you? Sorry. I think my lights are too much. We're going to have to work on lighting. But I think I'm going to move upstairs, too, to get this out of my dining room. Because it's just turned into a big, big mess. My hair. I'm going to play hell growing it out, I can tell you that much. All right, well, put some spray on, and then we'll be on our way. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Probably the next video is going to be a Valentine's look. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.